Okay, so we're at the Holiday Inn Express in Gettysburg. This is room 331, and it is a double room. First walk in, we have a mirror with a little shelf to put, I guess, your purse or whatever on. Bathroom is right here. We will come back to that. And we have a little tiny kitchenette, I guess. It's got a microwave, Keurig ice bucket, and the little mini fridge underneath. And then we have two, looks like queen size beds. It's very spacious. And you can see there's our view. And we have a nice little like wardrobe-ish shelf for your luggage and a place where you could put luggage or shoes underneath, coat rack, as well as the TV and drawer space and a desk. Some nice artwork. It does also have its own heating system here, or air conditioning, however you would like it, hot or cold. And our window that overlooks the highway. It's a really nice view if you don't mind a highway. It's a huge window. And let's go back and check out the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Pretty simple, very clean. Good lighting for makeup. And the shower does also have, looks like built in, let's see. These are the toiletries they have here. It's a good sized shower as well. And there is a hairdryer hanging behind the door. And that's it.